Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Starbucks-style banana bread using an easy method. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and lightly grease a 9x 5-inch loaf pan. Mash 3 to 4 very ripe bananas until smooth, about 1 1/4 cups. In a large bowl, whisk together 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Set this dry mixture aside for now. Now, in a separate bowl, cream together 1/2 cup of softened, unsalted butter with 3/4 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finally, add your mashed bananas to the wet ingredients and mix well. Carefully pour the banana bread batter into your prepared 9x 5-inch loaf pan, spreading it evenly. Place the pan in the preheated oven and bake for approximately 55 to 65 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. Once baked, let the loaf cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before carefully transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. Once fully cooled, slice your delicious homemade banana bread and enjoy. It's perfect on its own, or you can add a pat of butter or a sprinkle of cinnamon sugar. This bread stays fresh for several days when stored in an airtight container at room temperature. For more baking tips and other great deals, be sure to check the description below this video. And hey, while you're there, consider upgrading your sock game with Darn Tough. They truly last a lifetime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.